Corn, a food that has transcended borders and time, is much more than just a simple grain. From its domestication in ancient Mesoamerican civilizations to its arrival on tables in Europe and its fundamental role in Venezuelan gastronomy, corn has witnessed the history and evolution of nutrition. In this journey, we will explore the benefits of corn in cooking, its fascinating history in Spain, and its significance in Venezuelan culinary culture, concluding with an invitation to savor its flavor in a special place. Let's begin with the benefits of corn in cooking. This grain is a versatile ingredient that can be used in multiple ways, making it an ideal choice for those seeking variety in their dishes. Its high fiber content not only contributes to good digestion, but also helps maintain a feeling of fullness, which is essential for a balanced diet. Additionally, corn is rich in antioxidants, which fight cellular damage and promote optimal health. For those who are gluten intolerant, corn offers an excellent alternative, allowing them to enjoy delicious dishes without worrying about adverse reactions. In the kitchen, the possibilities are endless. From corn flour, which serves as the base for traditional arepas, to whole kernels used in stews and salads, corn adapts to various preparations and culinary styles. Imagine the aroma of a freshly made arepa, golden on the outside and soft on the inside, ready to be filled with melted cheese, juicy meat, or a medley of fresh vegetables. Or envision a colorful salad featuring corn kernels, which not only adds flavor, but also provides a burst of nutrients. Each bite tells a story, a connection to the land and the traditions that have endured through the centuries. Speaking of history, the journey of corn is fascinating. Originating from Mesoamerica, this grain was domesticated by indigenous civilizations that considered it sacred. Its importance in the diet and culture of these communities is undeniable. When European explorers arrived in America in the 15th century, they encountered this food that would change the course of gastronomy on the old continent. By bringing corn back to Europe, the Spanish contributed to its popularization, integrating it into a variety of traditional dishes that further enriched the continent's cuisine. The arrival of corn in Spain marked the beginning of a new culinary era. It quickly became adopted into the diet of the population, turning into an essential ingredient in the preparation of various recipes. From polenta in Italy to corn dishes in other regions, its versatility has made an indelible mark on European gastronomy. However, the journey of corn did not stop in Europe. Its impact spread to other parts of the world, where new culinary traditions have developed around this food. In Venezuela, corn takes on a special prominence in traditional cooking. Two of the most emblematic dishes that highlight its use are arepas and cachapas. Arepas, those thick and versatile tortillas, are a national symbol. They can be filled with a variety of ingredients, from fresh cheeses to roasted meats, and each region of the country has its own version, reflecting the cultural diversity of Venezuela. The arepa is not just a food. It is a vehicle of flavor and creativity that brings families together around the table. On the other hand, cachapas, those delicious sweet corn cakes, are another example of Venezuelan culinary richness. Served with fresh cheese, cachapas are a true delight that combines the sweetness of corn with the creaminess of cheese. Each bite is a journey into the essence of the country's gastronomy, a celebration of indigenous flavors that have endured over time. If you want to experience the richness of these dishes firsthand, we invite you to visit Cantina 33, a place where tradition and modernity come together in every plate. Located at Calle Campomanes 5, near the Ópera metro station, Cantina 33 offers a cozy atmosphere and a unique culinary experience. Here, you can enjoy authentic arepas and cachapas, prepared with love and dedication, and discover why corn is such a cherished ingredient in Venezuelan cuisine. Every visit is an opportunity to immerse yourself in the gastronomic culture of the country, where corn not only nourishes the body, but also feeds the soul. In conclusion, corn is a food that has come a long way, from its origins in Mesoamerica to becoming a staple of world cuisine. Its nutritional benefits, rich history, and fundamental role in Venezuelan gastronomy make it an ingredient worthy of celebration. So don't wait any longer. Come to Cantina 33 and discover the flavor of corn at its finest. We guarantee that each bite will be an unforgettable experience. Don't forget to subscribe to continue exploring the wonderful world of gastronomy and all the stories behind each dish. See you next time.